and we're going shopping. So what? We're going shopping, and Stefan is taking us through a road, and the Italians are disagreeing because they know they take another road, and this is one of the Italians, Gina.
We are lost.
We're following Stefan, our supposed leader, and we'll see what happens.
Who's the leader?
Stefan,
Okay.
that guy, the person in black, and we have Maltese persons with us, and Polish, and Egyptians, and Martians. For the Maltese people, if you ever go abroad and you have foreign friends, tell them to say it. So try to say it. There's another Q at the end. You're almost there, so without the at the end. Almost there. Now you try it. Stefan, etna l-għom jgħidu
Thank you for this lesson today.
It means flower. The one you cook with. Oh, try to say it.
Tangitina.
Tornitana tanitina.
Tangitina.
Telli tajtu tuta tajba.
Tangitina is right.
Tornitana tanitina.
Tangitina.
Telli tajtu. Telli tajtu. Tuta tajba. Tuta tajba. Tornitana tanitina. Telli tajtu tuta tajba.
The second part is
Yes.
so hard.
Fl-axħar wasalna penny market, ġejna nixtru għaxiri t-ċokolata. Xop għandi biżejta lissa. Sej tqiq.
Say?
Tqiq. 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 Aja, Kylie, teach him.
T.
So it's the
D.
E
D.
Tqiq.
T.
Without the e. Without the e at the end. Tqiq. Tqiq.
T.
Tqiq.
V.
Say it again. Tqiq. Similar, yes. It's one of the most simple Maltese words and one of the most difficult.
Simple. One of the most simple.
You ready? Yes.
Niftħu għadin is-sera ta' Taljani u Maltin. Għabek għanna lil-ġina ħatallimni kelma bit-Taljan.
Say kudrurieggio.
Kudġurieġġo.
Draw.
Kudġurieġġo.
Draw. Kuddraw.
Ġru.
Titoħroġa
Free hair. Ġru. Kudġurieġġo.
Kudruri.
Kudġurieġġo.
Adro.
Kudġurieġġo. Say the whole word. Say the whole word.
Kudrurieggio.
Kudġurieġġo. Kudġurieġġo. Kudġurieġġo.
Non giù. You say kudrurieggio. No, kudrurieggio.
Kudġurieġġo.
It's D and R.
Kudġurieġġo. Kudġurieġġo. What does it mean?
It's like a donuts, but salty one. And
Salty
it's fried.
donuts.
Fried.
Like a
Show
pretzel.
you.
Yeah,
A
more or
salty
less.
down.
Can I see it?
It's a fried squid.
Maybe it's easier this time.
Fried squid.
Squid.
Start fiħta.
It's a typical squid of
Għax
car.
għal battery. Oh, plakka. Rib.
Plakka, what does it mean?
Plakka. Plug.
Socket.
Socket. No. Fil dan jenis. Għani. Kod.
Kudrurieggio.
Kudrijad. Kod. Kudru. Kudru. Kudru.
Kudro.
Kudru. Kudru.
Kudro. There are two.
Kudru riadru.
Okay.
Kudru riadru. Kudru riadru. Kudru riadru.
Kudrurieggio.
It is
Għaw, film jien, għal-battery.
Qed noħodlok.
David triggered.
Qed noħodlok naqaxot ta' parsi da the office.
Kylie! Waslulek! Oġbitek il-sunset jaqaw.
X'wasalli?
ċivetta.
Ġesu Kristu.
Għanem madonna, għanem!
Inżel.
Għanem!
Inżel. Għax f***, Inżel, David.
Sana Għawnu ma. Jena spiċċajt għall-lollipop. Tajba! Hemm xi xtrajt. Ikla madonna.
ċenu għalika,
Kemmilni barra.
Mela, we went shopping.
Aha.
Xma ġejt xudejna.
Għax ma stibkamx għal-ħabdum daqsijek, man.
Tomna.
And then during summer, like when it's not cold, they like to bring chairs outside and just.
But that's
sit
a nice
on the bed.
tradition, no, I like
It's not a nice tradition.
It's nice.
When you pass
No.
from every single road
No.
and they're like, paparazzi men.
No, it's nice. When I was young, I used to stay
Nitkellmu
next
fuq
to my grandma.
affarijiet li nagħmlu
Like
f'Malta.
old people come outside.
The very funny thing is, they're talking. A person passes, they stop. The person passes, then they start to talk. Yeah, you know his mother did this, and his grandma. and
It's
his
like,
father."
forget what we were talking about, let us focus on her.
Il-welcome party beda sjaw nafsilu. Nisiru jinġabru nis. Għalka wieħed toq bil-ukulele.
Anche per favore.
Ma nafx li doq.
No, I'm fine.
Ma uomo hanno grandi.
They did it. No man, no crying.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Yes. Oh my god.
Dai questa cosa per favore.
Thank you.
David is going to play the flute.
I don't know how to play it.
Try it.
No one knows it except Wilson.
Dan huwa fufu. U d-dendlu.
Play. Very good.
Ux very good.
Can I try?
Wes sajin.
Alright.
Għandi s-sufa u għek jibda tellef. Għajħef xerri.
The lips.
I'm going to fill it with spit. Ux. Passien.
Please. Hey, what's your favorite song?
He doesn't know how to play it.
To play
This is not, no, I don't know. This is not normal.
It's not normal. 2, 4, 6, 8,
We
10.
play normal guitar.
No, it's not normal.
Lilek.
I'm so proud.
Ejja! It-tieni ġurnata waslet għat mim ukoll, mhux ngħajjad għax sjada fil-ħodu u għamlu nisredin. So, good night u narakom għada.